Hello there, welcome. Welcome to Math Simplified for You. My name is C.A. Ramakrishnan, and in today's class we will be analyzing the graphs of differentiability. But before that, let me remind you that if a function is continuous, it may or it may not be differentiable. But if the function is not continuous, it is definitely not differentiable. Remember that. So at first we will check the continuity from the graph above, and then we will check the differentiability from the graph below. Because if a function is not continuous, it cannot be differentiable. Although I have made a video on graphs of continuity, but then still we will recollect it. Here it is. At x equals to b, we see a dark circle, fine, it is defined. And LHL equals to RHL because they align, this one, and the dark circle is on the curve, which means yes, it is continuous. If it is continuous, it is differentiable as well. What about this one? At x equals to c, we see a hollow circle. What does that mean? It is not defined at x equals to c. So it is not continuous. So definitely it is not differentiable. What about x equals to d? Well, we see a hollow circle on the curve. Although there is a dark circle, fine, it is defined at x equal to d. But the problem is LHL equals to RHL but not equals to f of d. So therefore, this is not continuous, which implies it is not differentiable. Let's see x equals to e. We see a jump discontinuity. That means it does not align. One is above the other. That's why this is not continuous. Yes, it is not differentiable. Let's move on to this one, the graph below. If there is a sharp turn or sharp edge, it is not differentiable. And here we see one at x equals to a. So, no, it is not differentiable at x equals to a. What about this one and this one? Well, this is called a cusp. A flower-like structure pointing upwards or downwards doesn't matter. At x equal to b and x equals to c, of course, it is not differentiable. What about this one? X equal to d. Here also, it is not differentiable. Why so? If I draw a tangent and if the slope of the tangent is undefined, which means if the slope is perpendicular to the x-axis, that means tan 90 is undefined, we know that. That's exactly why this is also not differentiable. Now, if you notice, I did not talk about x equal to a and x equal to f. At the end points for any graph, it is not differentiable. Okay? Now that the concepts of continuity and differentiability graphs are clear to you, I will recommend you watch this video once again. You take notes and teach the concept that I did for you today to a friend of yours. The best way to grow confident. Otherwise, you're always welcome to subscribe, follow, share and like. This is C. Ramakrishnan. Thank you very much from Math Simplified for You.